Sawadee. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. Today I'm gonna make lab ball, no? You know, most of the time, like we have leftover lab overnight, and we like to pe kua man, you know, like stir fry them, be completely cooked, and a lot of people love to put the vegetable oil in it and eat with the sticky rice or jasmine rice. It's always good the next day. But now I come up with the idea that, you know, sometimes you don't want to eat rice, but you can wrap the Laab meatball, okay? So we're gonna make Laab meatball กินกับผักสดๆและก็ให้สุขภาพดี So of course we're gonna have a vegetable oil and salt, okay? And pa-dek, chicken flavor, and roast rice powder, roast chili pepper, okay? And come closer. When you make the rice powder, don't make it too dark. I like how the color, the texture, the color like that. So it's the rice powder too. So make sure it's this color, don't go too dark. If you go too dark, it's not gonna taste good, okay? มันจะออกมาขม okay? Alright? And then what I have here, I have the beef, and then I have the liver and beef honeycomb. Of course, นางเอก Galangal, lemongrass, and Kaffir Lime Leaves, okay? Alright, let's get started. Cook with me, okay? Okay, หลังจากเขาchop scene แล้วเนาะ I chop the beef already, guys. The beef must be raw, okay? So now go ahead, start put ingredient. I'm gonna go ahead put chicken flavor first, okay? And a pinch of salt, okay? Okay. Galangal,แล้วก็ขั้นก่อนเนาะ these three, make the meat is more like fresh when you put galangal, salt, and all the seasoning first, okay? right? But see, it look good, but you don't know how it's gonna taste like. The meat is still raw. So you wanna go ahead pop this in microwave a little bit, okay? If you're happy with the taste, you can go stop right here. If you put in microwave, then you can add more stuff if they're not perfect taste for you, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead put this in microwave. Okay, see I put in microwave, it's already cooked, okay? So I'm gonna taste a little bit, see if I'm happy with the flavor. Perfect for me. Now I can go ahead and make the Laab Beef Meatball, okay? Laab Beef Meatball แล้ว okay that's what they look like หอมแซ่บขนาดได้นี่เด้อ okay you guys see it look like that okay and then they're big right they're too big when you're gonna have serve them break into half so it's like half bite okay เห็นบ่มันจะเป็นอย่างนี้มีพัก everything นี่เห็นบ่เขากลับมาพันใส่ถั่วงอกเข้าไปหอมมินท์จิขันมักเผ็ดกับมักเผ็ดเข้าไปกินได้ป่ะนี่นะเดี๋ยวนะแซ่บกัดมักเผ็ดไปคักขนาดอาหารเรามันต้องสไปซี่อยู่เนาะคริสปี้แล้วมันก็มีกลิ่นมาก่อนเนาะ Kaffir Lime Leaves smell Kaffir Lime Leaves pa-dek you know but I need more lime แต่ละคำมันต้องจัดจ้านหน่อยนึงแบบจัดนะรสแซ่บกินแล้วแซ่บรสนะแบบนี้แซ่บแล้วเดี๋ยวperfect when your family have party this dish is got to go it's good everybody gonna love itแซ่บหลายokay guys thank you for watching subscribe my channel and I see you next time okay bye ลาก่อน